Hello FabLab and Makers community, how are you? I hope everyone are safe and in their best situation right now. By the way, my name is Mark Dave Azores, but you can call me Davey from Fabrication Laboratory Bicol, Albay Province. And I welcome you all to another episode of FabLab. So, for this episode of FabLab, I am going to teach you on how to use the embroidery machine. From maintaining and preparing, to designing using the embroidery software, and the actual usage of the embroidery machine. So, are you ready? Let's get into it. So here, behind my back, is a one-head embroidery machine with a 12-needle capacity.
Embroidery machines are basically used on creating pattern in a textile of your choice. These can be used for practical or decorative purposes. For example, you want to become on trend, you might want to put embroidery patches on your denim jacket. The things that we need to start embroidering are embroidery machine frames, textile of your choice, stabilizer, thread, scissors, oil and syringe.
We already know the basics on how to use the embroidery machine. But before we begin, we need to do some maintenance. Preventive maintenance is very important for it keeps the machine in a good working condition and extends its life.
These are the things that we need in maintaining the embroidery machine: oil and syringe. To begin with, move sewing head to needle number 1. Put oil every day at the bar of the reciprocator. Put 1 drop of oil every time you use the embroidery machine. Also, put 1 drop of oil on the another bar. Every 4 hours of use, put an oil on the rotary hook. Make sure to not put too much oil. Press 100-degree button so the oil can spread to the rotary hook. There is a hole with sponge that goes inside the bar of the reciprocator. Put at least 5 drops of oil every week. Next is on the needle bars. To access, remove the cover using a Phillips screwdriver. Put 1 drop of oil on each needle bars. Put an oil on the top of the needle bars. Put at least 1 drop of oil on each. At the back and front of the machine, there is a hole. Put at least 2 drops. A hole that is near to the rotary hook, put a drop of oil.